Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to save pie chart as a picture quickly. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I already created the pie chart. To save as a picture, simply click on the pie chart and make sure the full pie chart is selected. And then right click on the chart area, this is the chart area, right click on it and click on the save as picture option, and here you can see the save as picture dialog box is open. Select the destination where you want to save. So I select here the desktop. Okay. Then enter the file name. So I just edit, you can edit here the file name also. So I just enter here the pie chart pictures. Okay. And save as type. The file type is a default selected PNG. If you want to change the file type, just click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the different file type JPG. Okay, GIF. Okay. So I select here the PNG and after that click on the save. Go to the desktop and here you can see my pie charts pictures is saved. Okay. Simply double click on the pictures and here you can see the pie charts pictures is open. So this is a way you can quickly save pie chart as a picture. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.